Hello mga kagowers! Kamusta kayo? Welcome to my new video. Today, papunta kami sa isa sa mga sikat na destination dito sa Cebu. My name is Arky at samahan nyo kami. Ang Cebu ay maraming bulubunduki lugar at nagagandahang mga views. Huminto kami muna dito sa isang mountain cafe sa Cebu. Welcome to 21 kilometers cafe here in Cebu City.
But that's
At pagpasok, at bigla na lang,
Battery, you stick.
the SD card.
Cool. Yeah, because I'm thinking about getting something like that.
That's why we have one already. We're thinking. They have just released another one, the 1X3.
Yeah.
It has a bigger screen, but I think it has the same.
I think it's the good thing is about it that they're so small. Like that you can put it somewhere and then don't think about it. You can put it like on a helmet or something. Yeah. I've seen people have it on a stick behind them. Yeah.
It's like a drone.
So they can. Yeah, it's like a drone that's following them.
The good thing about this is the invisible selfie stick. And this.
Yeah. It will be blended out. It's cool. With 4K, when you edit it, it will be set like.
nag-aas pala siya sa ginagamit ko na Insta360 Action
When you
Cam.
edit it,
The original-
the result will be 720, right?
It depends because the app that you'll be using.
Depends on the app.
Especially
At
if you
yun,
wanna use the
nag-use
But if
dito
you-
ko,
if you
mabuti na
wanna
lang ang kasama
see
ko
it
ang
normal,
humarap.
let's say,
Yeah, it is.
then it's go.
Maganda pala ang view dito. Kitang-kita ang bulubundukin ng Cebu. Kumain kami at nag-take pictures. Continue sa aming pupuntahan ang Mala Amsterdam na lugar dito sa Barangay Busay, Cebu City. 30 minutes ang biyahe mula Cebu City, makakarating ka na sa Little Amsterdam ng Cebu. 100 pesos entrance fee at pwede mo nang malibot ang buong place. Makikita mo ang napakarami at iba't ibang klase ng bulaklak at Mala Amsterdam. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami ikutin ang lugar. Let's go! Welcome to Sirao Garden, Little Amsterdam of Cebu, Philippines.